This banana plant waste is secretly turned into luxury underwear.
Sustainable. Strong.
After harvesting bananas, the plant is usually discarded.
But inside these stems lies hidden fiber.
Rich in strong natural strands. Tons of waste collected daily. Now sent to processing factories. Where transformation begins. The stems are crushed.
And the natural fibers are separated.
Fibers are cleaned thoroughly. Dried under controlled heat. Soft, yet incredibly durable. Aligned for smooth spinning.
Spun into natural thread. Strong, sustainable yarn created.
Woven into breathable fabric. Lightweight and eco-friendly. Cut with precision. Stitched at high speed.
Comfort-focused design.
From farm waste to fashion innovation.
Nature transformed into comfort.